Brendan just choked. Brendan just choked. He's gonna put it back down.
He's got it. He's got it.
Go!
How you do this shit?
That thing's a monster.
Zero to hero in about two. Getting all up on the double 2-2. Zeke, let me take it off the hook before you drag it away. Oh, yes!
That's the big boy I was looking for.
Hold it up! Or drop it.
Get Zeke with it. Just keep